In this episode, episode 46, we will be discussing the healing process after you remove a branch, and this is on a Japanese maple. You could use this on other deciduous trees. Throughout this video, you will see numerous examples on cleaning the wounds, agitating around the cambium to get the trees to grow over and heal the scars. As you can see here, I've already finished cleaning and then adding the cut paste to the wound. Some of you have seen this maple before in our other videos, and we're about ready to do the same process that we did in the earlier videos where we clean the wounds and apply cut paste. Alright, so I've just thinned the tree a little bit and I've cut it back for fall. And then we'll enjoy this beautiful color, and then I'll probably cut it back a little more. And like I said a few minutes ago, I'm going to start cleaning up some of the places where I took off old branches and then put cut paste on that. And eventually those will heal all the way over. So I'll be placing this tree's pictures under the maintenance video that I'll be doing soon. So I've taken all the wire off, and now I'm just going to clean up some of the scars on the tree, help them heal a little bit better. and then also cut back a little bit. Okay, so we've cleaned this one up. I'm going to put some cut paste in that and on that and move down to this one and clean it up. As you can see where I agitated it, that'll help that clean and heal over. Alright, so this is after the cut paste is in the first one, and on to the next one. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove all these little weeds that are on here. Allow us to see a little bit better. Then I'm going to remove all these beautiful leaves. Hello again, it's Ron Anderson with Dirty Locust Garden Center. You know, I believe that most of the people on YouTube are trying to either entertain or help someone. And so I think we fall into the category of helping someone. And so as you watch our videos, hope it helps you on your journey and maybe even does a shortcut. So if you like what you see, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, well the next thing I'm going to do, see I cleaned all that up. The next thing I'm going to do is take all the leaves off of this tree so I can see what we're going to do and work on restoring it back to where I need to build the tree. Alright, as you can see, we've removed most of the leaves. Go back through here and cut a few more in a little bit. There are a lot of branches that have just really just taken off. They're too long and too strong, and so I'm going to remove a few of these. I'm going to start with this one. I'll cut it to about right there. Then I'm going to take this one off. Why am I taking these off? We're not at the stage of development where I'm building the top of the tree. And then this one's too strong back here. I'm going to take it all the way down. And yeah, take this one down. And I don't think I need this one. It's right in the very front. I might shorten that to about right here. I'll take that one off. I think I'll wire these down. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. All right, so we are done for now. A little bit of a different view from what we first started with, huh?